Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Because today, we're diving into something that can make a big difference for your business in 2025. How to set budget goals in QuickBooks. Whether you're using QuickBooks Online or QuickBooks Desktop, I'll walk you through step by step so you can hit the ground running in the new year. Let's start with QuickBooks Online. First, click on the gear icon in the top right and select Budgeting. From there, click on the Create New dropdown and choose Create New Budget. Next, set the fiscal year to 2025. You'll also pick the type of budget you want, usually either a profit and loss budget to track income and expenses, or a balance sheet budget if you're more focused on account balances. Now comes the fun part, building your budget. You've got a few options here. You can import a budget if you already have one built out in a spreadsheet. You can create it from scratch by entering your projected income and expenses line by line. Or you can use your previous year's data as a baseline and simply adjust for what you expect in 2025. Once you've chosen your method, enter your monthly targets for each account. Breaking it down by month makes it easier to track progress and spot trends. When you're satisfied, hit Save or Save and Close, and your budget for 2025 is ready to go. Now, if you're working with QuickBooks Desktop, the process looks a little different. Go to the Company menu, then select Planning and Budgeting greater than Setup Budgets. Here, update the fiscal year to 2025. You'll be asked to pick your budget type. Again, you can choose between profit and loss or balance sheet. You'll also have the option to add extra criteria, like tracking budgets by customer, job, or class. When it comes to building the budget, you can either start from scratch, entering your numbers manually, or use last year's actual data as a starting point and tweak it for the year ahead. Once you've filled in your numbers, click Finish. From there, you can adjust monthly amounts to align perfectly with your goals. And that's it. Whether you're on QuickBooks Online or desktop, you now have a budget in place that will guide your financial decisions throughout 2025. Remember, a budget isn't just about tracking numbers, it's about setting clear goals, planning for growth, and giving yourself the roadmap to stay on track all year long. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and business finance tutorials. Here's to a successful 2025. See you in the next video.